Fenugreek, a garden gift. Fenugreek is easy to grow, it is a herb. You can grow it in your garden, you can grow it in a pot. Fenugreek has green leaves, it has small white flowers, it makes your garden smell good. Grow fenugreek. It is simple, it makes you happy, it is good for you. Fenugreek is good for your health, it can help your stomach, it can help control sugar. Fenugreek is used in cooking, it is used in Indian food, it has a strong taste. You can use the seeds, you can use the leaves. Dry the seeds. Use them as a spice. Fenugreek likes the sun. Plant it in a sunny spot. It needs at least 6 hours of sun. Spring is a good time to plant. You can plant it in fall. Make sure the weather is warm. Do not plant when it's cold. Fenugreek does not like frost. It likes warm soil. Section 4. Planting your fenugreek. Use good soil. Make sure it drains well. Fenugreek does not like wet roots. Plant the seeds, plant them ½ inch deep. Space them a few inches apart, water them well. Keep the soil moist, but do not overwater. Your seeds will sprout and you will see green shoots. Section 5. Caring for your plants. Fenugreek needs water. Water it when the soil is dry, but don't let it dry out completely. You can add fertilizer. Use a liquid fertilizer and do this every few weeks. Watch for bugs. Look for aphids. If you see bugs, remove them. Your plants will be healthy. Section 6. Harvest time and more. You can harvest in 2 months. Cut the leaves when they are young. Leave some plants so they can grow seeds. Collect the seeds and let them dry. Plant more fenugreek and enjoy fresh leaves. Enjoy the good taste and share it with friends.